Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Video protected. Video protected.
So right here, I see they getting a little too close, right? So I get off the brake right there. Boom. They had a chance not to hit me. Didn't get off the brake. Look at them gone. Just took off on me. But luckily, I had a trailer kitchen and they pretty much ran smack into that, tore that radiator up. So I'm over here chilling. I'm like, dang, what should I do or whatever? So I end up moving to this spot over here so I can easily tell the cops where I'm at. Tell me why the person comes into this parking lot, dog. The same parking lot I'm in. I'm like, bro, ain't no way. Tell me why they call a lift or whatever and flee the scene right here in front of me. Like they didn't even know I was in the same parking lot. The cops took their time getting there and they came like literally 3 minutes after this. Like right after they pulled off. I mean, I'm grateful I didn't have significant damages, but dang.
Yeah! See where that got you, you asshole.
Building.
Oh yeah, for sure.
When I come out in that front door facing the big parking lot, well then if I have to go from there all the way around.
Like, what are you doing, you idiot? Like, really?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.